Are you looking for the best home EV charger? In today's video, we're gonna explore top 5 home EV charger that we have found through our entire research process. We made this list based on 5 things, such as weatherproof, cable management, size, length, hardness plug-in. There are many types of home EV charger that may be the best, but sometimes they didn't fulfill your requirements. The ChargePoint Home EV charger is our most recommended pick for its overall features and real user feedback. We will go into the deep overview in the next, but if you hurry, let's have a quick look at the quick comparison table. Here you can easily compare the top 5 home EV charger. We tried to show you some great features that may fulfill your requirement and some of the limitations of these products. If you find this table helpful, be sure to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have added all the products link in the description box below. If you are interested in any of them, feel free to check them out. All of the listed products are available on Amazon. Now let's go to the deeper section of this buying guide. At number 1 is the ChargePoint Home Flex EV charger. There's no reason to be surprised if the ChargePoint name sounds familiar to you. It is no surprise that ChargePoint is building a nationwide network of public charging stations available through its easy-to-use app. And it has announced it plans to spend $1 billion over the next decade building charging stations across the country. Thus, it's no surprise that the company has turned that name recognition into a home charging device. There are 2 configurations of the Home Flex charger, which can be used with NEMA 650 or NEMA 1450 plugs, and can also be set to use a charging amperage from 16 amps to 50 amps, depending on the capabilities of your home circuit. For most home installations, the 23-foot cable should be sufficient. Keeping track of your charging sessions, at home and on the road, is easy with the ChargePoint app. You can set schedules to charge at the cheapest rate when you're at home. Alexa is compatible with the app. At number 2 is the JuiceBox 40 Smart Electric Vehicle. Despite being relatively inexpensive, the JuiceBox packs a lot of useful features thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi. Among these items are virtual charge monitoring and remote control of the charger itself, as well as the ability to customize charging schedules. ChargePoint units down the list, however, are capable of accessing live utility pricing information in order to help you maximize off-peak hours. However, the ChargePoint is significantly more expensive. The charger is also available in a 32-amp variant as well as a 48-amp variant with a higher output. Additionally, the JuiceBox charger is backed by an extensive vehicle database that is continuously updated with new models, ensuring that owners will have no trouble making the most of their EV charger regardless of their car model. A 3-year limited warranty is also included with the charger. This home electric vehicle charger is hard to fault at just under $700. At number 3 is the Blink Charging Home Level 2 Electric Vehicle EV charger. As this charger has a 32 amps output, it should be able to meet the good enough standard for most EV owners, and it is priced reasonably too. The lower output might be a deal breaker if you are trying to get a quick charge in an hour or two. But if you are charging overnight on a regular basis, the difference between a 40-amp charger and a 50-amp charger isn't noticeable. The hardware package is designed to plug into a standard 240V outlet, and the 25-foot cable should reach comfortably from the garage to the driveway with no hassles. In addition to the home chargers that work with Blink, there's also a public charging network with perks for owners of Blink chargers. It is primarily designed to be used on the Blink network, but still offers most of the options you need to make flexible charging at home a reality. At number 4 is the Lectron NEMA 1450 Level 2 EV charger. There's no doubt that the Lectron is the most affordable charger we tested. With a list price of just $319, the company actually has a lower price 16-amp variant on offer, as well as a slightly more expensive but higher output 40-amp home charger. Although the Lectron offers significant savings, it doesn't come without some trade-offs, such as the lack of mounting hardware or Wi-Fi connectivity. However, the Lectron has an easy-to-read LED screen that displays useful information including voltage, amperage, charging time, energy usage, and temperature. The current limit can also be adjusted between 10, 13, 16, or 32 amps, so you can match the output of your circuit to your home. We should note that our test unit did not come with any instructions, but we wager most people will figure it out. In addition, there's no way to accurately track your vehicle's efficiency without unplugging the charger after each use, which can prove frustrating at times. However, you get what you pay for. At number 5 is the Grizzl-E Level 2 EV charger. Grizzl-E Smart Level 2 charger appears promising on paper, with the ability to pair with any charging app that is backed by the Open ChargePoint Protocol 1.6. The $539 unit is one of the most affordable smart chargers on the market today. The price tag, however, comes with a few notable drawbacks. It took months of fiddling to get our Grizzl-E smart charger to connect to the ChargeLab app. Grizzl-E says its connection process has improved since our early attempts, and after a firmware update, our issues have been resolved. However, the software issues weren't the only complaint we had with the Grizzl-E Smart. While the charger's durable aluminum build certainly matches its rugged name, it can cause more problems than it resolves. You must remove the charger's faceplate to adjust the charger's output, which ranges from 12 to 40 amps, as well as to reset the Wi-Fi connection. Our app connection fiasco forced us to do this quite a few times, bringing to light the app functions offered by companies like ChargePoint and JuiceBox. Additionally, the 24-foot cord is much thicker than other offerings, making it more difficult to snake into position. At the end, it is important to remember that worrying about money doesn't actually do anything to help. Instead, it can actually lead to more anxiety and stress. So the best way to stop worrying about money is to take some time for yourself, relax, and let go. Finally, remind yourself that you can always fix things if they get too tough.